Hey guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of outline on Shein app. To know how to fix or how to solve outline on Shein app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list will enter to the window or to the app of Shein, and you can click here. After that, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again if it's not working with you. You can go to Play Store, and if you'll find updates in this plus sign, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon, and subscribe. See you next time.